Hi, in this guide we'll take a closer look at Toprak, the AI model behind Shutli's insights. You'll see how it processes matched data and what the gold, silver, and bronze tiers actually represent. Open the About section and select Toprak model. This page explains the AI model behind Shutli's statistical insights. It is an information screen, not a match result. We will use it to understand the model's public workflow, the tier system, and where to find further details. Start with the Hero and About cards. Toprak is Shutli's AI model. The page describes a system that analyzes live matches, historical data, and lineup information to produce statistical insights. The Toprak 1.5 badge identifies the current model version shown in the app. Scroll to How does Toprak work? First, the app describes data collection from real-time and historical sources. Second, model analysis combines the Toprak, XG, momentum, and tempo layers to produce a score. Third, the output receives a tier classification. Fourth, qualifying signals can be delivered as a mobile notification. The visible tiers are gold, silver, and bronze. They classify the output using data quality and confidence level. A lower quality data scenario can move an output to a lower tier. The tiers help compare model outputs, but they are not fixed probability percentages and they do not guarantee a future match outcome. Continue to version history. The current card is Toprak 1.5, followed by earlier Toprak 1.4 and 1.3 cards. Each card summarizes the user-facing changes introduced in that release. Use this section to understand the version currently described by the app, not as a performance comparison between versions. The Frequently Asked Questions section contains expandable answers about the model, its current version, the tier system, and where its outputs are available. Tap a question to open its answer, then close it before moving to another. This keeps each explanation attached to the correct question. The tier explanation describes model output quality and how lower data quality can move an output to a lower tier. Treat every output as structured information rather than certainty. Do not infer a hidden formula from a tier, and do not use a tier by itself without reading the match context shown in Insights. Use the Toprak model page when you want to understand how Shutli describes its model, workflow, tiers, and version history. Then return to Insights to read the actual outputs in their match context. The model page explains the system. Insights shows how its results are presented in the app.